What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series. That's where we pick cool Rustoleum colors. We shoot pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything over top, and then we create new interesting color combinations that you guys get to decide. Do you love it or you hate it? You can rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10, however you feel like it. These are just test spray outs to showcase different color combinations that you guys might want to use on your next project, be it a car, a guitar, whatever you decide to paint. Feel free to say what you want about it. You know, it is what it is. But today, I've got two Rustoleum colors. I got a fender prepped up behind me. So here's the game plan. We're going to be two-toning it with smoke gray and gloss black. And I've got a subscriber that specifically asked for a Haiku color shift, guys. It's a really pretty color shift from My Candy Pigments. He wanted to see it over a Nardo gray or smoke gray if you're a Rustoleum based user. And of course, we're going to shoot it over gloss black too to see the best effect, because gloss black always shows the most transparency for the pearl and lets it do all of its fun stuff. So that's the game plan for today. We're going to two-tone this fender behind me, and then we're going to get into shooting some Haiku color shift from My Candy Pigments. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so now we got our two Rustoleum colors laid down, and it's time for some Haiku color shift from My Candy Pigments. Now this is another one of those mood ring pearls. I'm seeing some pinks and purples, but I'm also seeing a blue hue, like a ghost blue hue. So what this is going to do in the mix, I don't really know, but there's one surefire way to find out. I've got Finish 1 clear here today, guys. 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part of the hardener. I'm doing 5 ounces total in this mix, so it makes it simple for measuring, because we're just doing a fender. I got this 5-gram sample bag, so I'm going to put about half the bag in here. And then as always, I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is Haiku in the mix. Before I even get to stirring, you can see some blue hues. And then when I get to mixing, well, it's probably going to come alive. It's probably going to be a lot like Sumo Wrestler and Monitor Lizard, some of the other crazy mood ring style color shifts. But I'm seeing pinks, purples, I'm seeing blues. I'm seeing a lot of different things going on with this one. I think it's going to be a very interesting spray out, but there's only one true way to find out. Let's load up the old gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, I got my paint gun loaded up with some of this Haiku color shift from My Candy Pigments. This is my Alrita paint gun. It's an LVLP. It's a 1.3 tip and I shoot at 28 psi. That is wide open trigger. If you want to replicate my settings, feel free to. I'm going to do a light coat on this first to make sure we don't get no reactions, and then 2 or 3 follow-up coats till we get a good effect. And then the fun part, we'll take it out in the sun and let's see if Haiku can really shine. We'll put my mask on. Let's get to spraying. guys, so Haiku Color Shift from Eye Candy Pigments over top of Gloss Black and Smoke Gray. Now, it had a really cool ghost effect. Man, this thing shifts a lot. It almost had like ice blue effects in the light, and then you get some greens when it's not in the light. And then at certain angles, it even shifts to like pinks and purples. So at them hard angles, you see, you get those pinks and purples. So very interesting color combination today. Haiku. All right, what do you guys think? All right, guys, so this is the spray out for today. Haiku Color Shift, a very cool color shift from Eye Candy Pigments over top of Gloss Black and Smoke Gray. Over the Gloss Black, obviously we got the full transparency. We saw ice blues out in the light, then we had greens, we had pinks, purples, a little bit of everything. It was definitely one of those mood ring style color shifts. And it looks great over the Gloss Black. Over the Smoke Gray, that was kind of the wild card for today. It was also the one the subscriber wanted to see, and it looks really, really cool, guys. It contrasted that Smoke Gray well, and you got a lot of ghost effects out in the light. So good job, subscriber. But ultimately, it ain't up to me. It's up to you guys. You guys rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10, however you want to rate it. And if you decide you want to spray with Haiku Color Shift by Eye Candy Pigments on your next project, I am an affiliate with Eye Candy. That means I can get you guys a discount. Just click my links in the description, and at checkout enter WHITLEY and that'll get you a discount. It goes to help out the channel. And if you decide you want to spray with the clear coat I used today, the Finish One Clear, the paint gun, the mask, any of that stuff, guys, that's always in my Amazon store. You click the link in the description that says As Seen on YouTube. It'll take you to my Amazon store. You can purchase everything there for the same price I get it. They will give me a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, and you get the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else they have to offer. If you made it this far in the video, guys, and you like what I'm doing with these crazy spray outs, paint jobs, we are just now getting into candies as well. We did a Candy Red episode the other day, so I'm going to be diving into many more of those, and you're not going to want to miss an episode of that. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification beside it so you don't miss an episode. Drop me a like and comment. Let me know what you thought of today's video, and if there's a spray out I haven't done yet, then definitely drop it in the comments and we'll get to it. But go back and watch my Rustoleum custom mix series. I've done over 100 plus spray outs, and there's a little something for everybody on this channel, guys. So all right, well, I had a lot of fun today, guys, but that's going to be it for today. I'm John from WHITLEY Autoworks. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.